Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing Fluffy Putty Mix and Make Putty Kit. We're going to make the one that has foam beads in it. So, it also contains 1 borax solution, 1 coloring dye, 1 foam pellets, 1 white glue silicone oil solution. And since I haven't made a video in a while, I'm going to give you a bonus. This putty. I got that yesterday from the store. So, let's make this slime. I have a bowl here because this does not contain a bowl. It's ages 4 and above. And I love the color pink. Actually, I didn't get this for myself. I actually got this for Christmas, but I haven't opened it in a long time. So let's open it. Here's the stuff that we need in the plastic bag. I can't wait to make fluffy slime, or it's putty. So it also comes with the mixing tool. Okay, let's open this bag. Okay, so on the back of the box, it says what we have to do. Let's put this in the bowl. For beads, let's prepare everything. Food dye, I love this neon pink. White glue. And then the solution. Sorry, I'm coughing a lot lately. Okay, so the directions. Put the white glue and silicone oil solution. I think the white glue is the oil solution also, so let's get that in. Also, do this in your bathroom so you won't make a mess in your kitchen table or in your bedroom. So how much glue you put? I think we should put all of it, because the slime on the box is pretty big. Let's put every single drip. It's kind of hard to get out. Let's squeeze it more. So let's see what else we need next. We need foam pellets and pink dye. So now that my mom is trying to open or get the white glue out, then we are going to put the foam beads together. It's going to be off camera. You can't really see it. Plus the pink dye. Okay, there it goes. I have a question. Is this white glue? Because this looks like clear glue. Maybe the white glue's at the bottom? I don't know. But there must be an answer. I think the answer is science. Okay. Here are our foam pellets. And then we also put together the tie-dye. It's dye, pink dye. Okay. Okay, so we finally got it a little bit open. Let's squeeze that out. Guys, while we are trying to get it out, like every single drip, don't forget to check out DIY Galaxy Slime at the corner. Okay? And whenever you do, comment #putty. This is how you spell it. PUTTY. Okay, so we figured out why this couldn't get anything out of it. Look, it's dry. That's that's why we're going to use the Elmer's glue like we usually do whenever we make regular slime. So let's put it in 2 whole drops like that. Okay, so now that we got the glue in, finally, let's put okay, so we're gonna put these with the dye, foam. Okay, so I'm gonna add like lots, so it's gonna be kind of fluffy and crunchy. Okay, I hope I don't make a mess. Oh. The bag broke. Okay, we might have to use scissors because I do not want to open it and then it's going to make a huge mess. So, let's see the pink dye. If you haven't seen it yet, it's just about the same color as the bowl. And it's like this neon color. I love it. Okay, let's put it in. It's like instant snow. I never had instant snow before. I don't know why. But I had foam beads before, not instant snow. Okay, now let's put the dye in. Let's check this. Here's 2 dots making 2 eyes on my finger. Okay, so now I'm going to add some of the pink dye. We hope this isn't permanent. I'm going to add 5 drops. I hope that works. Okay, so now let's put the borax solution. I got some on my finger again. I don't think we should add that much. So let's try not put too much. Okay, we added 5 drops. I hope that's enough. Okay, now we're gonna mix. Okay, let's keep on mixing because on the box you have to say non-stop until putty is formed. I think we need to add a little bit more because let's put a few more drops. That was like 1 whole drip. Okay, so I hope that's enough. Let's keep on mixing. I figured out that if we put some more of these, then it will be thicker. Let's put the whole thing. There. And let's mix. Wow, that really did work. And I want the neon color to stay, so let's put more of that in. Drippity drip drip. And we put lots of the borax solution because we thought it wasn't thickening up. Whenever you do it, put every single drip, or as much as you can. I'm gonna mix. Look at the texture. It's forming. Keep on mixing. I'm going to have to do it with my left hand because my right hand is tired. Okay, so to make it thicken up, I put 1 teaspoon of magical liquid. One time I made black slime, so that's why there's a black on that. Okay, so now it has formed into a putty texture, but it's also slime-like. This feels really good. I'm going to knead with my hands because that's better. Wow, this really is fluffy and it's also crunchy. Here's some ASMR. so relaxing. And on the camera, it kind of looks like a watermelon color, but it's like a baby pink at the camera. It looks really nice. It's starting to not be sticky anymore. It's also pretty stretchy, but after a while it rips. So that's a putty texture. So also we also added some more glue, so it would be a little bit bigger because we thought it was kind of small. Okay, I think this is ready. And guys, don't forget the bonus, because we're gonna make a bonus video soon. Okay, so while you hear ASMR, I'm gonna give you a free ticket to the video up at the corner. It's gonna be called How to Draw a Narwhal. If you wanna draw it, then you have your free ticket. Okay, so don't forget to like that video, and also remember to comment #Putty, Putty.